Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy steak. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect cut. Look for a steak with good marbling, like a ribeye or New York strip, which adds incredible flavor and tenderness. A thickness of at least 1.5 inches is ideal for achieving a beautiful crust while keeping the inside juicy. Remember to pat your steak completely dry before seasoning. This is crucial for a fantastic sear. Now, let's get that steak ready for cooking. Season your steak generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy, this creates a flavorful crust. You can also add a pinch of garlic powder or a dash of paprika for an extra layer of taste. After seasoning, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly. It's time to cook. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly, then add a high smoke point oil. Sear your steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. For an extra touch, add a tablespoon of butter, a few cloves of garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Baste the steak with this flavorful mixture during the last minute of cooking. The final, crucial step for a truly yummy steak is resting. Once cooked, transfer your steak to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful experience. Finally, slice your steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked, delicious steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.